Welcome to Excellent English Now channel.
Sore throat. Sore throat.
A painful or sensitive condition of the throat, especially when you swallow or talk. Rosemary and sage are classic herbs for sore throats.
Cough. Cough.
To force air out of your lungs through your throat with a short, loud sound. She is coughing terribly. I coughed all night long.
Ache. Ache.
Means to have a continuous pain that is unpleasant, but not very strong. This word is used in combinations with parts of the body to mean a continuous pain in the stated part. For example, stomachache, pain in your stomach. I ate too much and got a terrible stomachache. Headache, pain in your head. I take tablets for the headache. Toothache, pain in or around your tooth. He has a toothache and needs to see a dentist.
Runny nose. Runny nose.
Mucus dripping or running out of your nose. My daughter has a runny nose.
Fever. Fever.
Condition in which the body temperature is higher than usual. If you have a fever, you should drink plenty of fluids.
Rash. Rash.
A lot of small red spots on the skin. You may feel dry, itchy, or painful. I've got an itchy rash all over my chest.
Flu. Flu. Influenza. Influenza.
A common infectious illness that causes fever and headache. There are lots of people off school this week with flu.
Cold. Cold.
A mild common illness which makes you sneeze a lot and gives you a sore throat or a cough. I've got a cold. I'm afraid I'm catching a cold.
Constipation. Constipation.
A condition in which the feces are hard and elimination from the bowels is infrequent and difficult. Pregnant women can suffer terrible constipation.
Diarrhea. Diarrhea.
Have a loose or watery stool during a bowel movement. I often suffer from diarrhea when traveling.
Bruise. Bruise.
An injury or mark where skin has not been broken but is darker in color. His arms and back were covered in bruises.
Heart attack. Heart attack.
A sudden serious medical condition in which the flow of blood to the heart is blocked, sometimes causing death. The risk of heart attack is more than doubled for women with diabetes.
Cancer. Cancer.
Cells in a person's body increase rapidly in an uncontrolled way and kill normal body cells. Smokers face an increased risk of developing lung cancer.
Hypertension. Hypertension.
Blood pressure that is unusually higher than is normal. He has always suffered from hypertension.
Vomit. Vomit.
To bring food from the stomach back out through the mouth. The smell made her want to vomit. Any product made from cow's milk made him vomit.
Allergy. Allergy.
A person become ill or get a rash when they eat, smell, or touch something that does not normally make people ill. Food allergies can result in an enormous variety of different symptoms.
Mumps. Mumps.
A disease that causes painful swellings at the sides of the face and under the ears. There is evidence that cases of mumps are rising sharply.
Chickenpox. Chickenpox.
A disease that causes a high temperature and many spots on the skin, is caused by specific virus. There is no recognized cure for chickenpox.
Measles. Measles.
A disease that causes fever, a red rash, and watery eyes, is caused by specific virus. The doctor took one look and said it was measles.
Asthma. Asthma.
A lung condition which causes difficulty in breathing. I carry an inhaler because I have asthma.
Dizziness. Dizziness.
A sensation of feeling unsteady and that you may fall down. The sight of blood may cause dizziness in some people.
Dementia. Dementia.
A medical condition that affects especially old people, causing the memory and other mental abilities to gradually become worse and leading to confused behavior. She was diagnosed with dementia.
Anemia. Anemia.
A medical condition in which there are not enough healthy red blood cells in the blood. She suffered from anemia and even required blood transfusions.
Diabetes. Diabetes.
The body cannot control the level of sugar in the blood. Diabetes is diagnosed with a blood test.
Arthritis. Arthritis.
A serious condition in which a person's joints become painful, swollen, and stiff. I have a touch of arthritis in the wrist.
Sunburn. Sunburn.
A condition of having painful red skin because you have spent too much time in the sun. Sunburn can cause skin damage.
Osteoporosis. Osteoporosis.
A disease that causes the bones to become weaker and easily broken. The osteoporosis danger came as a surprise to her.
Conjunctivitis. Conjunctivitis. Also known as pink eye. Pink eye.
A painful infection of the eyes that makes them red and makes the eyelids swollen and sticky. It starts with a fever and conjunctivitis before a rash develops.
Depression. Depression.
A mood disorder that causes a persistent feeling of sadness and loss of interest in things and activities you once enjoyed. If you suffer from depression, it's best to get professional help.
Pneumonia. Pneumonia.
A serious illness in which one or both lungs become red and swollen and filled with liquid. I heard a few weeks ago that Claire had pneumonia and was in hospital.
Insomnia. Insomnia.
A condition of being unable to sleep over a period of time. Insomnia is often a problem for elderly people.
Migraine. Migraine.
A severe headache that causes pulsing head pain on one side of your head. Considering the amount of stress she's under, it's not surprising she keeps getting migraines.
Stroke. Stroke.
A sudden serious illness, which can cause death or the loss of ability to move or to speak clearly. Smoking increases the risk of stroke.
Eczema. Eczema.
A skin condition that causes dry and itchy patches of skin. As a young boy, he suffered from eczema.
Frostbite. Frostbite.
It occurs when your skin freezes during exposure to freezing temperatures. His toes were damaged by frostbite.
Kidney failure. Kidney failure.
A condition in which one or both of your kidneys no longer work on their own. She suffered sudden kidney failure, after which she spent 3 days a week undergoing dialysis.
Obesity. Obesity.
A condition of being excessively fat. A diet that is high in fat and sugar can lead to obesity.